Hey there, video enthusiasts! Tired of IG's identity crisis? Want to make video content that social media algorithms love without breaking the bank? Well, you're in for a treat! Imagine not needing a Hollywood team to create visually stunning videos for your business. Too good to be true? Think again. Today we're diving deep into the Illusto lifetime deal, and trust me, it's the magic potion you've been waiting for. What is Illusto? Ever dreamt of a tool where you drag, drop, and bam! A top-notch video? That's Illusto! It's like having a personal film crew in your pocket. With over 122 M+ assets at your fingertips, voiceovers, and AI images, this is the fairy godmother of online video editors. Remember scrambling to get the right filters or effects? Kiss those days goodbye! With Illusto, you've got everything and more to make your content shine. And yes, you can directly upload to every social media platform. Exclusive lifetime deal alert! While others might be cashing out heaps on Adobe Premiere or Canva, you get to seize this steal deal. Head over to AppSumo and you won't believe your eyes. It's only $29 with 51% off. Can you believe it? Here's more. License Tier 1, $29 instead of $59. Get all those dazzling features. 20 monthly exports, 30 AI-generated images, 20 GB storage, and more. License Tier 2, a mere $89 instead of $249. Enjoy unlimited exports, 180 AI-generated images monthly, a whopping 200 GB storage, and the cherry on top, 4 hours of auto-subtitles per month. Check out the link in the description for an avalanche of benefits. Act quick! This pricing is limited and will shoot up soon. Risk-free alert! You've got 60 days to test it out and fall in love. If not, money back, no questions! 6 show-stopping features of Illusto. AI image generation. 1 prompt, countless possibilities. Clean audio. No more can you repeat that? Moments. GDPR compliant. Safe, secure sound. Media library. 122 M+ assets to sprinkle some pizzazz. Direct social media publishing. One-click wonders! Voiceovers. Add that personal touch with ease. Who needs Illusto? Vloggers. Add that extra spice to your vlogs with Illusto's easy-to-use tools and AI-generated content. Small business owners. Dive into the digital sea with confidence, as Illusto empowers you to create professional video content without breaking the bank. Content marketers. Stand out from the crowd with the X factor that Illusto brings to your video creations. Freelancers. Speed up your video editing process and deliver epic results with ease using Illusto. Workshop organizers. Share your wisdom and engage your audience with visually stunning video content. Virtual event planners. Whether it's a webinar, conference, or online event, Illusto helps you make a lasting impression. And you, if you're watching this, you need Illusto to take your video content to the next level. AppSumo exclusive. Grab 10% more savings. Bonus! Bag an extra 10% off at AppSumo. All you need? Visit AppSumo's offer page specifically to the product's lifetime deal offer. Spot the pop-up bar. Type in your active email address in the pop-up window. Always use the same email address when dealing with AppSumo. Look for an email from AppSumo containing the 10% off promotion. Once you get the email, click on the link or apply the promo code. Finalize your purchase and enjoy the extra savings. Let's not waste more time and grab the offer right now. Lifetime deal impressions, what users have to say. Dive into real reviews. Here's what folks are saying about Illusto. Waiting? Why? Snag your lifetime access to Illusto and elevate your video game. So if you're ready to take over the video industry, use Illusto's magic. Read the description, explore its splendors, and grab that offer. And hey, if this got you all excited, hit like, share the love, and subscribe for more scintillating scoops.